the touch screen. You see the screen here? All right. We already see the number, which is on the other side. On the beginning of the video, it's LQ104V1DG11 made by Sharp. Inverter, backlight lamp. So first thing, I think I would like to remove this 4 screws. Oops. First, which is holding the inverter. Okay. Long screw. Okay. All right. Second, remember this is a connection, okay? So I'm gonna see how we're gonna do it. Oh, okay, this cable is kind of long, so that's good. So we disconnect the CCFL cable. Take a look at this. You see this? You can just cut this thing off. I don't have a cutter here. Take it out. Make sure you don't scratch the screen, okay? So, and then you remove this one. Well, you don't need to remove it. Actually, yeah, I'm not gonna remove it. I just want to, yeah, I just do it like that because this wire is long enough. Hopefully, you can see better. Put it this way, yeah. All right. I mean, remove is easy too. There's 2 screws anyway, 3 screws, but okay. This is the backlight lamp. We need to replace it. Okay, let me put a little bit closer the camera so you can see it a little better. All right, 2 screws, right? 2 screws that holding on each reflector. You see this, right? And remove the tip so we can. Okay. Again, the screen is Sharp LQ104V1DG11. Alright, we put just 2 screws. Okay. You see, oh, it's really bad. Look at this. The special coating sheet was all burned out and it started cracking off. Ooh. It's back too. You see the edge of the glass? You see this? That was decoded a little bit. I need to clean it a little bit. See this? Ooh. Okay, let me get some stuff, clean it, and then show you how to mount the LED back. Okay, we just took the reflector out. Take a look at our LED kit here. We can mount it back to the old plastic reflector. Besides this old, the coating sheet's no good, but we don't need a coating sheet. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna mount it directly here. Okay, but don't worry about this one, because this one UB54 series is a little bit thicker than, if you watch my previous old video a few years back, our aluminum PCB will be a little bit thinner, so we recommend you add heatsink. But this is the newer one, you don't need to. It's pretty thick. So first thing we need to clean here is here. Wow, look at this. Okay, we need to clean. Okay, I just use a Q-tip, scrape it off. Ooh. Ooh. Let me get a piece of paper so that way I don't want that. All right. Okay, just carefully clean it out. do it like this. Tab it. All right. Oops, let me take this thing out. And now we can mount the LED back, okay? Mount right here. You see the plexiglass here? And just mount it right there, okay. All right. Yep. Oops. I want to just push it down to against the plastic frame, so make sure it stick there. Okay, do the same thing on the other side. Oops. Same thing. You see? All right. Now we put it back this cover. Oops. I use the wrong one. I'll do the right one. Here we go. Oops. Okay. 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 I usually will add a couple of tips. Let me give away some tips.